harvested using professional shearing equipment.
Specialized shears remove the valuable camel wool coat. Large fleece sections are collected for processing.
The fleece is sorted according to quality and fiber fineness. Only premium wool continues into luxury jacket production.
The fleece is sorted according to quality and fiber fineness. Only premium wool continues into luxury jacket production. Each batch is weighed and documented. Traceability begins before industrial cleaning. Industrial washing removes dust and impurities. The wool begins its transformation into luxury textile fiber. Multiple rinse cycles ensure fiber purity. Clean wool is prepared for controlled drying. Carefully controlled drying preserves fiber softness. Moisture levels are reduced without damaging the wool. Technicians perform detailed quality checks. Only flawless fibers proceed to textile manufacturing. Carding aligns thousands of individual fibers. This creates a uniform fiber web for spinning.
The drawing process improves fiber consistency. Multiple strands are combined into a uniform sliver. Roving prepares fibers for final yarn spinning. A gentle twist holds the fibers together.
Ring spinning transforms fiber into durable yarn. The luxury textile takes shape strand by strand.
Automatic winders prepare yarn for weaving. Defects are removed during the winding stage.
Each yarn batch is tested for strength. Only approved material advances to weaving. Warping organizes thousands of yarn strands. This prepares the foundation of the fabric. The warp beam is mounted onto the loom. Precise threading ensures accurate fabric construction. The warp beam is mounted onto the loom. Precise threading ensures accurate fabric construction.
The woven fabric is collected into large rolls. Technicians monitor texture and weave quality.
Every meter of fabric is carefully inspected. Quality control ensures a premium finish. Specialized dyes create the jacket's final color. The fabric absorbs color evenly throughout. Rinsing removes excess dye residue. The final shade becomes permanently fixed. Controlled drying preserves fabric stability. The material remains smooth and uniform. Finishing enhances softness and appearance. The luxury jacket fabric reaches premium quality. The finished textile undergoes one final inspection. Every roll must meet luxury garment standards. Proved fabric is prepared for garment production. Each roll receives a traceable production code. The textile now enters the garment factory. Production shifts from fabric manufacturing to jacket assembly. Multiple fabric layers are spread with precision. This maximizes cutting efficiency and consistency. Digital patterns are arranged for maximum efficiency. Every jacket component is mapped precisely. Computer-guided cutting ensures exceptional accuracy. Each panel matches exact design specifications.
Cut components are organized by garment section. This streamlines the sewing process ahead.
Individual pocket sections are sewn first. These details add both function and style.
Finished pockets are attached to the jacket front. Precise alignment ensures a professional appearance.
Reinforced stitching improves durability. Critical stress areas receive additional strength. The jacket body is assembled from major panels. The garment's overall structure becomes visible.
Shoulder seams define the jacket's shape. Accuracy here ensures proper garment fit.
The collar is carefully shaped and reinforced. It is now ready for installation onto the jacket.
The finished collar is attached to the jacket neckline. Precise stitching ensures a clean, professional finish.
Reinforced seams improve durability. The collar is secured for long-term performance. A premium inner lining enhances comfort. The lining process begins with precision cutting. Computerized cutting ensures exact lining dimensions. Each piece matches the jacket shell perfectly. The lining is carefully fitted into the jacket. Accurate positioning is essential for comfort. The lining is sewn securely into place. The jacket gains its complete internal structure.
The inner lining is assembled separately. It is designed to fit perfectly inside the jacket.
Cuffs are shaped for comfort and durability. Attention to detail defines luxury craftsmanship.
The hem is reinforced for long-lasting wear. This creates a clean, finished silhouette.
The front closure system is carefully installed. Perfect alignment ensures smooth operation.
The zipper is permanently secured. Every stitch contributes to reliability.
Branded hardware enhances the jacket's appearance. Buttons are attached with precise positioning.
Reinforced buttonholes improve durability. Precision ensures smooth button operation. Branding and care information are added. The jacket is nearly ready for finishing. Steam pressing creates the jacket's refined appearance. The luxury garment is prepared for final inspection.
Every jacket undergoes a detailed visual inspection. Experts check stitching, alignment, and overall appearance. Precise measurements ensure sizing accuracy. Each jacket must meet strict manufacturing standards.
Functional components are tested individually. Smooth operation is essential for premium quality. Seams are tested to ensure long-term durability. Only strong, reliable garments pass inspection.
Technicians inspect every visible fabric detail. The luxury finish must remain flawless. Final finishing eliminates minor imperfections. Every detail contributes to a premium appearance. Brushing enhances softness and visual appeal. The camel wool develops its signature finish.
Lint removal creates a perfectly clean appearance. The garment is prepared for final presentation.
A final steam treatment perfects the garment. The jacket achieves its showroom-ready appearance. Supervisors conduct the final appearance review. Only approved jackets continue to packaging.
Authenticity tags are attached to every garment. These labels provide product information and branding.
Protective covers safeguard the finished jackets. This prevents dust and handling damage.
Each jacket is folded using a standardized method. This ensures a neat retail presentation. Premium packaging reflects the product's luxury status. The jacket is now ready for distribution. Every package receives traceable shipping information. The finished jackets are prepared for shipment. The completed jackets enter the distribution warehouse. Each package is tracked through inventory systems.
Shipping teams verify every outgoing order. Documentation accuracy ensures smooth distribution.
Shipping teams verify every outgoing order. Documentation accuracy ensures smooth distribution.
Finished jackets are loaded for shipment. Careful handling protects the luxury products.
Cargo restraint systems prevent movement during transit. Every shipment is secured before departure.
Accurate documentation supports global distribution. Logistics teams finalize shipment records. Management performs a final shipment review. Dispatch authorization clears the products for transport.
Transport safety checks are completed. The shipment is now ready to depart.
The finished jackets leave the factory. The manufacturing process is now complete. The jackets begin their journey to customers worldwide. Efficient logistics ensure timely delivery.
Here at the distribution warehouse, the raw wool arrives, and the team works quickly to get the materials ready for manufacturing.
Advanced tracking systems manage inventory flow. Products are sorted for global distribution. Orders are consolidated for retail partners. The jackets move one step closer to customers. Distribution networks connect factories to retailers. The luxury garments approach their final destination. The finished jackets arrive in retail stores. Careful presentation highlights their premium quality. The final product reflects months of craftsmanship. Every detail showcases exceptional quality.
Customers experience the softness of camel wool. The manufacturing journey reaches its purpose.
The luxury jacket is ready for its new owner. From raw wool to premium fashion, the process is complete.